So the 3U Masters in Engineering and Healthcare Technologies, its aim is to produce engineers who are capable of designing and developing electronic and information systems for use by the medical communities. And this is a rapidly growing area worldwide. The 3U partnership is a partnership between 3 higher education institutions in the Greater Dublin area. So they are Dublin City University, Maynooth University and the Royal College of Surgeons in Ireland.
Traditionally, the area of technology and medicine has not required the use so much of electronic engineers, but now with this rapid growth in the area, what we're looking for is electronic engineers who have an appreciation for the medical considerations. So what we want is to take the traditional electronic engineering skills and educate those engineers into the needs of the medical profession so they can work as a bridge between the engineering community and the medical community to develop the products that we need from both sides.
The 3U Master of Engineering and Healthcare Technologies is a program which captures one of the major confluences of our age. Convergence which brings together medicine and ICT to yield transformative healthcare technologies. Inventing and applying these new technologies requires a multifaceted skill set and an ability to communicate across disciplines as disparate as medicine, engineering, mathematics, computation and biology. Graduates with these abilities are sought by established companies and startups alike as new market opportunities for healthcare innovation emerge.
Well, I chose this course because it gave an interesting perspective into the medical world, and I really feel like doctors and engineers can learn so much from each other from different perspectives.
I find this course offers an intensive, very thorough medical sciences module and gives the opportunity to work alongside clinicians and surgeons and doctors. These are experiences that no other course I came across really offers.
The programme is delivered across the 3 campuses. The students come to RCSI first and they study medical sciences and healthcare ethics and law. So they get an idea of how it is to work within the healthcare setting. They then proceed to study some modules out in Maynooth University and followed by other modules out in Dublin City University. And these would be the advanced electronic engineering modules.
This is a taught postgraduate program. It's specifically designed for grads of electronic engineering. We understand that not everybody will have the full complement of things or will have formally done them if they haven't got an electronic engineering degree. We're quite happy to look at applicants on a case-by-case basis.
We're very excited about engineering graduate students getting involved in research with us and in the clinical setting. There's a multitude of research opportunities in lots of different areas. I mean, obviously we're here in an operating theatre today, but talking to my colleagues, whether they're cardiology, anaesthetic, intensivists, paediatrics, rehabilitation, rheumatology, everywhere, there's a great enthusiasm for more of an interaction between medicine and engineering. They will pick up on things that we're not aware of and they'll have insights that we don't have. And so there's this great interaction.
This course offers tremendous career opportunities both in Ireland and abroad, either in the healthcare system or with many of the medtech companies. It gives an excellent springboard either into academia or into industry.
The Capstone project is a novel aspect of this programme. So in the Capstone project, it's delivered in the 3rd semester and the student has an opportunity to work with an electronic engineer and a clinician, be it a doctor or surgeon, in order to carry out a project in the electronic engineering area.
So for example, we have a project with Caltech and Kansas University, whereby Caltech developed the imaging. We analyse the data. We send that information to the biologists then in Kansas, who then make the biological conclusions on the information. So what we do here is we develop systems to extract information from images.
In this program, we want to give these graduates both experiences so they can act as the bridge between the 2 communities. And that is going to be essential for all these companies who are traditionally from outside of the healthcare sector who want to get in and engage with doctors.
The whole interface between medicine and engineering is something that we are always working towards, and it's something that we really look forward to and we're very excited about.